Are you bilingual or multilingual? Do you want to make money online using your language skills? Then offering online translation services may be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll show you how to get started in the online translation industry, from finding clients to delivering high-quality translations. First, you'll need to determine which languages you're proficient in and decide on a pricing strategy. You can charge per word, per page, or per hour, depending on the project and your experience. Next, you'll need to market your services to potential clients. You can create a website, reach out to companies that do business overseas, or join online translation platforms like Prose and Translatorscape. When you start getting clients, you'll need to invest in translation software and tools to help you work efficiently. Some popular options include SDL Trados, MemoQ, and WordFast. Finally, it's important to deliver high-quality translations and build relationships with your clients. This includes understanding the cultural nuances of the languages you're translating, being responsive to your clients' needs, and delivering your work on time. With these tips and tricks, you can start making money online with your language skills by offering online translation services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.